Tired of your plain debit card? Bank of America lets you choose from dozens of custom card designs, from nature scenes to sports teams, often for free. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Log into your online banking or mobile app. Navigate to your checking account details and look for Card Design or Customize Card. You'll be able to browse a gallery of available designs. Select your favorite, confirm your shipping address, and submit the order. Your new, personalized card will arrive by mail in 7 to 10 business days. Your old card will be deactivated when the new one is activated. My crucial pro tip? Order it when you don't have upcoming travel. Since your card number stays the same but the CVV code and expiration date will change, any recurring payment set up with the old card details, like Netflix or gym memberships, will fail until you update them. Plan the switch for a calm financial period. Express your style every time you make a purchase. What kind of design would you choose for your debit card? For more fun personal finance guides, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.